So this is Engine Company number 71. 71 referencing the year the Magic Kingdom opened. Or Walt Disney World opened, for that matter. Coming up on 50 years. October 1, 1971 was the opening day. And here we have what used to be the Sorcerers game, right? Can't remember the game. We never really did it. We tried once or twice, but really never completed it. But this is where you would get your cards and go around and look for those magical spots. Oh, that's loud. This has been parked out on Main Street before. Actually, Brent and I have both taken pictures sitting on it. But they've redone this room. These are all Firehouse insignias. I don't know if this was here before or not.
Walt Disney World Fire Department.
Yeah.
WFD.
Like these old fire hats. Not those plastic ones they give you for, you know, they give out to kids. The metal. That old thing. Florida, 1915. Oh, I didn't even notice it. This was here before, I believe. This fire pole. Of course, this isn't new, but I never really took a close look at it before. It really just kind of stops right there. Old fans, pretty cool. I love this, the old style lamp lights. Literally just a light bulb in an enclosure. This old ladder. Imagine sitting there driving this thing. Stick shift. Well, oh yeah, I think that's the accelerator, and the left one is the clutch, and the big one there is the brake, if I had to guess. Tells you how fast you're going here. Not sure what this does. Oh, that's the siren. You just go wing, wing. Somebody maybe sitting off the back hitting the bell. Bing, 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 bing. I can almost hear it. Coming to save the day. I don't think you're supposed to touch it. So anyway, that's the tour of Firehouse number 71. Look at the old phone. Missing a piece. Oh, can you hear anything?
No, they're not saying anything.
Mabel, get me the sheriff. All right. Ding ding. Well, thanks for watching that little tour of Engine Company 71 here at the Magic Kingdom.